Hello, viewers. We have been discussing various question papers from past years related to general paper of UGC NET, that is paper 1. And in that endeavor, uh, 17 videos have been uploaded till now. And in this video, we will try to solve one more question paper. Without any delay, let's begin our discussion. The first question that we have got is: teacher uses visual aids to make learning what? Simple, more knowledgeable, quicker, interesting. Teacher uses visual aids to make learning, number D will be correct, more interesting. Okay. If a class is not interesting, then people or students will not be interested. That's why it must be interesting. Therefore, teacher, they often use visual aids like a video, picture, like that. Now, number two, the teacher's role at the higher educational level is to what? Provide information to students, promote self-learning in students, encourage healthy competition among students, help students to solve their personal problems. It will be number B, that is to promote self-learning in students. This is the greatest role a teacher can play, because if a student does not learn about self-study or self-learning, then that student will never grow in life. Number three, which one of the following teachers would you like the most? Punctual, having research aptitude, loving and having high idealistic philosophy, who often amuses his students. Number three, it will be B. A teacher must have research aptitude. Whatever he gets, uh, a, whatever new concept a teacher gets or he comes across, then that teacher must be willing to dive deep about that particular topic. So apart from that, a teacher must have inquisitive mind. He must always ready to research anything and everything. So if you are a student, then if a teacher has that research aptitude, then you will respect that teacher. So that is what this question is asking us. Number four, micro teaching is most effective for the student teacher when? During the practice teaching, after the practice teaching, before the practice teaching, none of the above. It will be micro teaching is most effective for the student's teacher during the practice learning. Number five, which is the least important factor in teaching? Punishing the students, maintaining discipline in the class, lecturing in impressive way, drawing sketches and diagrams on the blackboard. Number A, punishing the students. This is not required. Means it is required under special circumstance, but it is not the important factor in teaching. Least important factor. 6. The test null hypothesis. A researcher uses what? A test ANOVA X2 factorial analysis. It will be number B, that is ANOVA, ANOVA. What is this? If you would like to know more, then you can search it in the Google. 7. A research problem is feasible only when it has utility and relevance. It is researchable. It is new and adds something to knowledge. All the above. So correct answer will be all. A research problem is feasible only when it has utility and relevance. It is researchable. It is new and it adds something to knowledge. Okay. Number 8. It says bibliography given in a research report is what? It shows vast knowledge of the researcher. It helps those interested in further research. It has no relevance to research, all the above. So number B will be correct. That means it helps those interested in further research. Number 9, fundamental research reflects the ability to what? Synthesize new ideals, expound new principles, evaluate the existing material concerning research, study the existing literature regarding various topics. Number B will be correct. Fundamental research reflects the ability to expound new principles. Number 10 is saying the study in which the investigators attempt to trace an effect is known as what? Survey research, ex post facto research, historical research, summative research. It will be B, that is ex post facto research. 11 is asking us, okay, this is a very long question. This is a comprehension. So we have to read the given passage and answer the question from 11 to 15. Let me read it for you. All political systems need to mediate the relationship between private wealth and public power. Those that fail risk a dysfunctional government captured by wealthy interests. Corruption is one symptom of such failure, with private willingness to pay trumping public goals. Private individuals and business firms pay to get routine services and to get the head of the bureaucratic queue. They pay to limit their taxes, avoid costly regulations, obtain contracts at inflated prices, and get concessions and privatize firms at low prices. If corruption is endemic, public officials, both bureaucrats and elected officials, may redesign programs and propose public projects with few public benefits and many opportunities for private profit. Of course, corruption in the sense of bribes, payoffs, and kickbacks is only one type of government failure. Efforts to promote good governance must be broader than anti corruption campaigns. Governments may be honest but inefficient because no one has an incentive to work productively, and narrow elites may capture the state and exert excess influence on policy. Bribery may include the lazy to work hard and permit those not in the inner circle of cronies to obtain benefits. However, even in such cases, corruption cannot be confined to functional areas. It will be a temptation whenever private benefits are positive. It may be a reasonable response to a harsh reality, but over time, it can facilitate a spiral into an even worse situation. I have finished reading. If you would like to reiterate, then you can go back to the beginning and then listen it again and then try to solve it. Number 11 says the government which fail to focus on the relationship between private wealth and public power are likely to become what? It will be number B, that is dysfunctional. It will collapse. 12. One important symptom of bad governance is what? Corruption, high taxes, complicated rules and regulations, high prices. It will be A, that is corruption. Corruption is still rampant in our India too, unfortunately. And this is one important symptom of bad governance. 13 says, when corruption is rampant, public officials always aim at many opportunities for what? Public benefits, public profit, private profit, corporate gains. 13. It will be C, that is private profit. 14. Productivity linked incentives to public slash private officials is one of the indicatives for what? Efficient government, bad governance, inefficient government, corruption. It will be A, that is efficient government. 15. The spiraling corruption can only be contained by promoting what? Private profit, anti-corruption campaign, good governance, payoffs and kickbacks. Number A will be correct, that is private profit. Press Council of India is located at which place? Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi. 16 D, Delhi, that is in our capital. 17. Adjusting the photo for publication by cutting is technically known as what? Photo cutting, photo bleeding, photo cropping, photo adjustment. 17. Number C will be correct. Photo cropping. Photo cropping we to do nowadays through our mobile phones. 18. Feedback of message comes from what? Satellite, media, audience, communicator. It will be 18A, that is satellite. 19 says collection of information in advance before designing communication strategy is known as what? Feedback, feed forward, research study, opinion poll. It will be number D, that is opinion poll. Number 20, the aspect ratio of TV screen is what? It is 4:3. 21, mathematical sum, which is the number that comes next in the sequence? 9, 8, 8, 8, 7, 8, 6. Options are 5, 6, 8, 4. 21, correct option will be C, that is number 8. Number 22, if as in a certain language TRIVANDRUM Trivandrum is coded as 259535478. Now, how would Madras MADRAS be coded? 834536, 834538, 834530, 834539. 22, correct answer will be number D, that is 834539. Number 23. The question to be answered by factorial analysis of the quantitative data does not explain one of the following. Is X related to Y? How is X related to Y? How does X affect the dependent variable Y at different levels of another independent variable K or M? How is X by K related to M? 23, correct answer will be D, that is how is X by K related to M. Number 24. January 12, 1980 was Saturday. What day was January 12, 1979? Saturday, Friday, Sunday, Thursday. 24, correct answer will be B, that is Friday. How many Mondays are there in a particular month of a particular year if the month ends on Wednesday? 5, 4, 3, none of the above. Correct answer will be B, that is 4. Next question. 26 says, from the given 4 statements, select the 2 which cannot be true but yet both can be false. Choose the right pair. All men are mortal, some men are mortal, no man is mortal, some men are not mortal. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4. 26, correct answer will be D, that is 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark it, 3 and 4. Done. 27. A syllogism must have what? 3 terms, 4 terms, 6 terms, 5 terms. Syllogism. 27. Correct answer will be 4 terms. 28. Copula is that part of proposition which denotes the relationship between what? Subject and predicate, known and unknown, major premise and minor premise, subject and object. 28. Correct answer will be 8. It is subject and predicate. 29. E denotes what? Universal negative proposition, particular affirmative proposition, universal affirmative proposition, particular negative proposition. 29, correct answer will be universal negative proposition. 30 says, A is the father of C and D is the son of B. E is the brother of A. If C is the sister of D, how is B related to E? Daughter, husband, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. 30. Okay, 30 correct answer is number C, sister-in-law, but please verify it. 31. Which of the following methods will you choose to prepare a choropleth map of India showing urban density of population? Quartiles, quintiles, means and SD breakpoint. It will be A, that is quartiles. 32 says, which of the following methods is best suited to show on a map the types of crops being grown in a region? Choropleth, chorochromatic, choroschematic, isopleth. Sorry for the pronunciation. 32, correct answer will be choropleth. 33. A ratio represents the relation between what? Part and part, part and whole and whole, all of the above. 33. All of the above. Both, all are correct. Part and whole and whole, part and part. 34 says, out of four numbers, the average of the first three numbers is thrice the fourth number. If the average of the four numbers is 5, the fourth number is what? 4.5, 5, 2, 4. 34. Correct answer will be C, that is 2. 35 says, circle graphs are used to show what? How various sections share in the whole, how various parts are related to the related to the whole, how one whole is related to the other wholes, how one part is related to the other parts. 35. Correct answer will be B, how various parts are related to the whole part, to the whole. Next, 36. On the keyboard of the computer, each character has an ASCII value, which stands for what? American Stock Code for Information Interchange, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, African Standard Code for Information Interchange, Adaptable Standard Code for Information Change. 36. Correct answer will be B, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. 37. Which part of the central processing unit CPU performs calculation and makes decisions? Arithmetic logic unit, alternating logic unit, alternate local unit, American logic unit. 37. Correct answer will be A, that is arithmetic logic unit. 38. DPI stands for what? Dots per inch, digits per unit, dots pixel inch, diagrams per inch. 38. Correct answer will be dots per inch. 39. The process of laying out a document with text, graphics, headlines, and photographs is involved in what? Desktop publishing, desktop printing, desktop publishing, desktop printing. 39. Correct answer will be desktop publishing, that is DTP. 40. Transfer of data from one application to another line is known as what? Dynamic disk exchange, dodgy data exchange, dogmatic data exchange, dynamic data exchange. 40. Correct answer will be D, that is dynamic data exchange. 41 says, tsunami occurs due to what? Mild earthquakes and landslides in the oceans, strong earthquakes and landslides in the oceans, strong earthquakes and landslides in the mountains, strong earthquakes and landslides in the desert. 41. Correct answer will be B, strong earthquakes and landslides in the oceans. Next, 42 says, which of the natural hazards have big effect on Indian people each year? Cyclones, floods, earthquakes, landslides. 42. Correct answer will be B, that is flood. Especially in Assam, each year flood creates havoc. 43. Comparative environment impact assessment study is to be conducted for what? The whole year, 3 seasons excluding monsoon, any 3 seasons, the worst season. 43. Correct answer will be A, that is the whole year. 44. Sea level rise results primarily due to what? Heavy rainfall, melting of glaciers, submarine volcanism, sea floor spreading. 44. Correct answer will be B, that is melting of glaciers. 45. The plum rise in a coal-based power plant depends on what? Buoyancy, atmospheric stability, momentum of exhaust gases. Identify the correct code 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. 45. Correct answer will be B, that is 1, 2 and 3. 2 means atmospheric stability and momentum of exhaust gases. Okay, 46. Value education makes a student what? Good citizen, successful businessman, popular teacher, efficient manager. 46. Correct answer will be a good citizen. It is must. 47. Networking of libraries through electronic media is known as what? InflipNet, LibInfnet, Internet, HTML. 47. It's a very important question. That is InflipNet. If you don't know about it, then Google it. 48. The university which telecasts interactive educational programs through its own Channel is what? B.R. Ambedkar Open University, Hyderabad, IGNOU, University of Pune, Annamalai University. It will be B, that is IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. 49. The government established the University Grant Commission by an Act of Parliament in the year 1980, 1948, 1950, 1956. It will be D, that is 1956. Last question of this question paper. University having central campus for imparting education are called what? Central universities, deemed universities, residential universities, open universities. Number A will be correct. That is central university cities. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stick to the syllabus. Try to solve previous year question papers, and also solve or also appear in mock tests. That's all. Keep on learning. Bye bye.